How to create Western Union account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create your Western Union account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just search for westernunion.com and you will be landed to the official website of Western Union. And here just scroll down, and here you will see the 3-step simple process to open your account in your Western Union. So in the first step, you have to create your profile. So first thing first, you have to make sure that the information you provide should matches your government issues ID, because you have to link your ID in order to verify your account later on. So you will be asked to provide your following information during registration, like your full name, your address, your phone number, your country of birth, your date of birth, your email address, your annual income, your occupation, nationality, and permanent account number, which is your PAN card number. And in the second step, you need to verify your profile. So in order to complete your one-time identity verification by visiting your Yes Bank branch near you, so present your PAN card and a proof of address. You can also opt for online verification, which is called eKYC, by providing your Aadhaar card number or your any other government issued ID card, and you will receive an email once your profile is verified. And in the last step, your profile will be completed and you will be able to send and withdraw money from your Western Union account. With a verified profile, you are now ready to send money online. So these are the simple 3 ways process through which you can open your Western Union account. So now just click on register now. So as discussed earlier, just fill in all these information like your first name, your last name, date of birth, your email address, and just create a password here. Just enter your billing address, your country, and other details, and provide your additional information about your gender, your nationality, and then just you have to answer this question, and that will be a verification question for you. And once you fill in all these details, just check these boxes and click on finish. And on the next page, as I told you earlier, you have to opt for a verification process. You can either go for online one or an offline one. So in the online one, you have to opt for eKYC, and where you have to provide your documents. And once the entire process is done, your profile with Western Union will be created. So this way you will be able to create your Western Union account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.